And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how Bank Nifty and Nifty has moved in the last 2 days and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can move tomorrow. See, if you look at the chart of Bank Nifty, and tomorrow is expiry, as you know that there will be a probability of huge volatility. Okay, and now you have to understand something. What we have seen, a pattern is forming in Bank Nifty. Okay, and this pattern is, and it's quite a volatile market we can see in the Bank Nifty trends. Okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, as of now what we have seen, uptrend has formed in the Bank Nifty, and suppose if this particular level sustain, or if it opens, Bank Nifty opens in this particular zone, we can see it can come up to a level of 35,304 again. Okay, and if that level goes upside, a probability of touching 35,513 is there. Okay, so once if it goes above that level, then we can see a probability of moving towards a level of 36,000 will be there, and from there we can see if this particular zone will be break upside, and a probability of moving further upside will be very high. Okay, so it can go further upside towards a level of 36,600, a probability of touching that particular level, because if it goes above that level, the range has break upside, so probability is high. We can see a level of 36,600 also. Okay, now suppose market is uncertain, you may not never know, because we have seen a swing at this particular level. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of $34,301, and suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 34,159. Okay, and if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $33,805, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 33,500. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 33,167, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $32,494. You have to understand something, that this swing, if didn't sustain, we can see a probability of touching 34,159 will be there, and if that also didn't sustain, then probability of touching 33,805 is there, and if that goes downside, we can see further fall. But if we talk about Nifty, Nifty is also showing the same trend as we have seen in the Bank Nifty. We have seen a swing at this particular level after making a high of around 16,277. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, which is currently trading around $59.66. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of $59.28, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 15,816. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain that also, then we can see a probability of touching further down towards a level of 15,578 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low. But suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 16,025, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $16,137. Okay, and once the price stays above that level, a probability of touching 16,165 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 16,249. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain that also, then we can see it can again touch a level of 16,277, which is a weak support we can see, because this level is not it got tested here, so it has already been a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 16,139, and from there we can see a probability of touching towards a level of 16,396 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, because what we have seen, only this, if this swing breaks upside, then only we can see it can go further upside, otherwise we can see a further fall. Okay, because we have seen a continuous state moving for 2-3 days continuously. Okay, from 17 June we have seen it has made a high of around 16,256, a continuous uptrend. So we have seen a swing at this particular level, whatever, and a support we can see coming at around 15,935. So if this sustain, we can see a bounce back from this level in the Nifty. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do a thumbs up, and if new to my channel, please